When your Sceptre monitor displays no signal with HDMI, systematic troubleshooting can quickly identify and resolve the issue. We'll walk through the essential diagnostic steps. First, inspect your HDMI cable for physical damage. Look for bent connector pins, frayed wires, or any visible wear that could interrupt the signal. Ensure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both your monitor and source device. A loose connection is one of the most common causes of signal loss. Try different HDMI ports on your Sceptre monitor. Individual ports can fail while others remain functional, so testing multiple ports helps isolate the problem. Verify you've selected the correct HDMI input source on your monitor. Use the physical buttons or remote control to cycle through input options like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and so on. Finally, ensure your source device is powered on and actively outputting a signal. Sometimes devices enter sleep mode or stop sending video output, causing the no signal message. These 5 diagnostic steps resolve most HDMI no signal issues. Start with physical connections, test different ports, verify input selection, and confirm your device is outputting signal. This systematic approach will quickly identify the root cause. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your no signal issue, power cycling can reset the HDMI handshake between devices. This process involves a specific sequence of steps. This power cycling process allows the HDMI handshake protocol to reset completely, often resolving communication issues between your monitor and source device. Next, check your device's display settings to ensure compatibility. The output resolution and refresh rate must match what your Sceptre monitor can handle. Starting with lower settings like 1080p at 60 Hz ensures compatibility. Then you can gradually increase to higher resolutions if your monitor supports them. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of HDMI connectivity issues. Keeping your drivers updated is essential for proper display communication. Regular driver updates prevent compatibility issues and ensure your graphics card can properly communicate with modern monitors. Prevention is key to avoiding future HDMI issues. Using quality cables and proper maintenance will keep your setup running smoothly. Quality cables with proper certification ensure reliable signal transmission and reduce the risk of connection failures. Regular maintenance is equally important. Clean your monitor ports periodically to prevent dust buildup that can interfere with connections. These advanced troubleshooting techniques and prevention measures will help you maintain reliable HDMI connectivity with your Sceptre monitor and avoid future signal issues.